back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing good. First of all, happy Holi to everyone. I wish your life will be filled with colors, happiness and love, and all your bad thoughts, negative thinking will be burned the same way Holi burns on Holika Dahan. And I wish all the people who are doing fasting on Ramadan, I wish your all Ramzans are going in good and with all the smiles, laughter with your family whenever you are doing iftari and sehri. And in advance, I'll say happy Eid because I don't know if I'll be able to make a video that time or not. So happy Holi and happy Eid in advance to everyone who is going to celebrate Eid. And I wish your life shine the same way moon shines. So now let's talk about books. I don't get time to make videos because of my college and then studies, then test, exams, and content writing. And recently, I am finding an internship too. So it's a lot of things. And then the ARC books came too. I have a bundle of ARCs that I have to read, but I don't get time. So today I'm going to talk about 3 books that are my favorite books I have read as an ARC reader, and I literally love those books. They are the best books. And even one of the books that I have currently reading is really good. You know, this is a whole Bollywood wide book you'll ever read. And if you are a Bollywood wide person who loves to read enemies to lover books, childhood lovers, rivals, this book is really for you. So let's start. Let me start talking about books that I have read. The 3 ARC books that I have read currently. The first one I read is She is an Anchor by Timber Sapphire, a sports romance book. A single mother, one night stand troops are there in the book. Second book is When Hearts Awaken. It consists of traumas, lovers, rivals, heartbreaks, everything. Then there is And Then They Love that I'm first talking about. The Bollywood vibe, the rivals to lovers, the childhood lovers, the proximity, the office romance. It is that it is. All the 3 books are my favorite because I really love reading them and I have enjoyed. Let me tell you all the story about books, the things I loved about books, about those characters. So, what we should talk about first. Let me first tell you about book that has kept me hooked till last, that has made me giggle so much, that has made me blush so much, that has given me love towards tigers and that little tigers that I love the most. Let's talk about that book first. It is one of my favorite books. I have given it 5 to 5 reviews, 5 out of 5 stars. This book is called She is an Anchor by Timber Sapphire. It is a very good book. You won't regret reading this book. It is so good. She is an Anchor is a series book, but you can read it as a standalone too. So, She is an Anchor is a book where Mary Louise has organized a bachelor party for her sister, where they have went to a bar and were there are little events that happens there, and there she met a guy who was an exotic dancer. She got attracted towards him. She got he also got attracted towards her, and then they met there. They had their conversation, and that's when through a bachelor party they had a one night stand. They thought they will forget about that night. It will not reveal anything. They haven't revealed their names. They haven't revealed about their whereabouts. They haven't revealed about what they do. Nothing has been revealed on that day, and they thought they would forget about that night. But they are not able to forget it. They didn't able to forget the proximity they have. They didn't forget about the thoughts they have with each other, the way they felt for each other. A lot of years, they again met. Mary Lewis was a runner-up. She went to a friend. She went to French for a competition, and Alexander was also there. Alexander was never into sports, but a tragedy happens, and he became a coach of the opposite team of Mary Lewis. There they met. They got attracted towards each other again. They felt their proximity, but Mary Lewis always tried to went away from him. She didn't want to be again involved in him. She doesn't know if he'll be able to be with her after knowing the truth or not, or if he will leave it her in the midway. So she always wanted to stay away from him, but they couldn't stay away from each other for long. They had the proximity, they got attracted, they loved each other, they have fallen in love with each other, they wanted to be each other, and in the last they stood with each other with their little family, where the little tigress was also there. I really love the book. It is so much good book. You will keep hooked till the last page of the book. It has so much love, care, the family bonding, the how really people get jealous in the sports and then they do something shitty so that the other person doesn't able to win. It has also seen in this book. So this book is really good. I loved how Alexander always tried to motivate her, always want to be with her, always stay with her, and always tried to make her feel comfortable, always make sure that comfort comes first, and then the other things take place. So I really love the book, the bond between them, the love, the care, proximity. Everything is so beautiful about the book. The characters are really beautiful, and Mary Lewis was really strong. Good. This is really good book. I am a person who loves the things when someone supports someone other person, and in this book, Mary Lewis' sister has always supported her, even if it when she may become a single mother, when she stood, they always stood by her, beside her whenever she falls down. They were always with her, and when I love that scene when Alexander was getting interviewed by her sister, because her sister wanted to make sure that whoever the guy they are meeting, and whoever the guy her sister is going to be with should love her and keep her safe, keep her happy all her life. They are always protected towards her. So they had an interview toward him, and it was so good, so funny. The way she has described those emotions, Sapphire has described those emotions that they felt towards each other. The way she has described the bond, the love, the care is so beautiful, and I am in love with this little tigress, who was our best part of the book. I'll say the little tigress is the best part of the book. Without her, the book will be incomplete. I must say that. She's so beautiful, so gorgeous. While reading the book, you'll understand, you will feel yourself that she's so beautiful and so gorgeous. So, the book is really good. You can read it as a standalone too, and it is really beautiful. I really love the book. Love the book. You must read it and tell me if you guys really like the book or not. So now let's talk about second book. The second ARC book I have read is When Hearts Awaken by Victoria Long. This book is really beautiful too. I have been a part of the team too of this book, and the people are so talented. They are so talented. They have made so many good edits, so many good reels that you will love them. if you see the glimpse of those reels, if you go even on my page, if you'll go and see the glimpse of those reels where we have showed a little glimpse of the book, then you feel so much attracted towards the book that you'll yourself order it and read it and will love it. It is a story of a ballerina who has find escape in the world of ballerinas. Has She has faced so much traumas, so much things in her life, and that ballerina was become her escape, and she has been selected in one of the great ballerinas groups where she is going to be the ballerina. She is always struggled towards a performance, where towards a Swan Lake performance, and where she was selected. There she met a man whom she recognized as her the reason of her past traumas, but she always tried to believe that he wasn't the same person who has assaulted her, as she wasn't having her the best part of her memory. And there she also met in that group Charles. Charles is a golden media prince, charming and hot man. He is the owner of Bank of Colombia and has been facing the very much problems currently in that, in because of one of his employees who have done an assault a woman. So that they met, they both are a part of that particular group. As Bank of Colombia, the Charles is supporting that group so that the allegations of assaultation or Bank of Colombia should get away, and the ballet Taylor is performing as a ballerina in that particular group. Charles and Taylor were enemies in the starting, but then they start knowing each other. Charles wanted to know what has holded Taylor so much that she always stays in anger. So they both came fall into love with each other. Taylor always tries to go away from him, as she always feels that no one can love her so much, and no one deserve her, as she has faced assaultation. Charles always tried to know her and try to make sure that give her the reasons that why he loves her and why she should love herself too. And I love how the author has shown through a little quote, a small quote, a big picture of a person's life. Like the quote was, roses are beautiful with thorns too. So she has shown that how even a person has gone through so many things in their life, those through traumas, those depressions, those assaultations, still that person is really beautiful from inside and outside too. And even if they have so many things happen in their life, the other person, the society should accept them with their thorns, as the same way the roses are beautiful with thorns too. I really love the book. The way Charles always feel protected towards him, the way Charles gift her roses and tell her the reasons why he loved him. The way Charles is really a golden prince type. A fictional man, who always is ready to sacrifice himself for the woman of his life. And Charles is just like that. He is the reason Taylor started smiling, Taylor started loving herself, Taylor started doing the things she loved, Taylor started feeling more confident, more good. And I must say, Taylor is so strong woman. She is very strong woman you will ever see. The way she has fought with her struggles, the way she has fought with her traumas, always stood strong. The way she has kept all the traumas, all the rape assaults all those experience of rape and assault in her heart without sharing to anyone, without sharing to her sister or friends also. The way she has supported the other ballerinas is so beautiful. It is a really beautiful book. It has so much banter, so much sexiness, so much proximity, so much love, so much care towards each other. It is a really good book. You will love the book a lot, and it is will keep you hooked till the last page. So do give a read. You can go on my page and see a little bit glimpse of the book also on the reels. You won't regret buying When Hearts Awaken by Victoria Lynn. So go and read the book. It is really the best book you could ever read. So go and buy this book and share your reviews on Amazon and Goodreads too. It will help the author, and we all should support the author, every author of the book, by showing us how much we love the book, by leaving the review on Amazon or Goodreads or any other app where the author can see it. You can also read the review of mine on my Bookstagram page. So go and buy the book, Buy When Hearts Awaken 2. It is really a good book. You will really love the book. It is so much good. And now let's talk about the last book that I have currently finished. Like yesterday, I have just finished that particular book. That is And Then They Loved by Ria Iyer. It is a full Bollywood vibe book. Have you seen that series, the serial? Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do? You know, when you read that book, obviously the TV series doesn't show those spicy scenes, but if you read the book, you'll surely get that vibe of Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do serial. It is that much good. The book revolves around Veera and Dhyan, the childhood lovers who broke up because of one misunderstanding, and then they found each other in an office which has been taken by Vihan, Ethos, and there Veera was her employee. Veera was broken. And she didn't believe in Vihan anymore. She has gone through a lot of hurdles in her life. Her mother, who has given her birth, has abandoned her, and she lives with her Nanu all the time. Her Nanu has only support system she has all her life, and after that, Vihan was the only support system of her. They were rivals in the college in their school time, but then they fall in love with each other. But one mere misunderstanding destroyed all the things between them, their relationship, their love, everything. And then they met as a boss and an employee. So when they again met after 15 or 14 years, they felt the same attraction towards each other. They felt the same love, the same care towards each other. They noticed every emotions of each other, every way, the way they move, the way they feel towards each other, the way they say things to each other. They always notice each other emotions and understand how they much are feeling pain. But they have gone through so much pain because of a mere misunderstanding that they don't want to again go through that experience. So they always try to stay away from each other. But they always come towards each other. They got always attracted towards each other. The banter, the sexiness is so much in the book, and the spiciness is also a really lot in the book. All the three books contains a lot of spiciness, I must say. So here they both had the misunderstanding, but the same way they also felt love towards each other. The also love to care about each other. The way they also want to be with each other. And then we had understood the misunderstanding they had that 14 or 15 years ago, and then he tried to mend it. Somehow their relationship becomes happily ever after. So I really like the book. It is really good. The way they fall for each other, the way they want to be with each other, the spicy chapters are a lot, and the way they care about each other. Vihan loves her infinity. I really love the book. The way he always stayed with her, the way he gifted her things, the way he gifted her flowers and other things she loves, the way he felt jealous, and she also loves him a lot, and they have a really good bond. They were rivals. I really love the innovative words she used whenever she get irritated by him. She always uses some innovative words which make me always giggle a lot. I really love the book. It is really good. The book, you can read it. You will have all the vibes of Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do and the Bollywood vibes while reading this particular book. It is really good book. You will read. It will make you so much smile, so much happiness, so much giggle. Some of the last chapters made me really feel bad, emotionally affected me, as she has a very good relationship with a Nanu, and in the past there are some chapters that will can make you cry too, as they are really emotional chapters that have been written, so you can feel emotional too. The bond she and her Nanu have with each other is really beautiful. The way her Nanu supported her always, the way her Nanu always stood by her, and the way she always understood her Nanu, even in when he was facing so much health issues, she was always there for him, for her Nanu. When I was reading the bond between her and her Nanu, I always remember my grandfather. It has made me so much emotional while reading those chapters, because I got all those memories of the time I have spent with my grandfather. It's been more than 6 to 7 years I have lost him, and it is really emotional. And I really love to read the bond between her and her Nanu. It is really beautiful. Epilogue is really beautiful too. The ending is so good. The epilogue is so good. It will keep you smiling, blushing, and it really contains a lot of spicy chapters. So all three books are really great and are really beautiful. Once you buy and read those books, you will really understood why I'm saying they are the best books. So these three books are the books that I have done reading. I'm in love with all these three books. The books are really beautiful. You will love to read these books. So go and grab your copy and do share your reviews. Do tell me in the comment section also how you like the books, if you love them or not, and what is the favorite part of all the three particular books I have told you about. Do tell me in the comment section too. So till then, do take care of yourself. Keep smiling, keep shining. Have wonderful festivals, Ramzan and Holi, Eid. Have fun on those days, on these festivals. Keep smiling, keep shining, keep growing, keep being happy. Take care and meet you guys soon. As I always say, soon. I try to meet you guys soon. Till then, keep smiling, keep shining.